Once upon a time, in the quiet village of Brightwood, lived a clever and kind girl named Mia. She loved exploring, solving puzzles, and helping others. One sunny morning, an old map fluttered into Mia's garden. Curious, she picked it up and noticed a shiny marked in the Forest of Echoes. Beneath it, the words, "The key to the golden door," were written. Mia's heart raced. The golden door was said to lead to a treasure that could light up the darkest nights and heal broken hearts. Determined to find it, she grabbed her backpack and set off. Entering the forest, she met a shy fox named Felix. "You'll need help," Felix offered. "The forest is tricky." Mia agreed, and the two became instant friends. Their first challenge was the Bridge of Riddles. A wise owl blocked their path, demanding they solve a riddle. "What has roots as nobody sees, taller than trees up it goes, and yet it never grows?" Mia thought hard. "A mountain!" she exclaimed. The owl nodded and let them pass. Next, they faced the whirlwind meadow, where powerful winds howled. "We'll never cross," Felix whimpered, but Mia spotted vines and crafted a makeshift kite to sail them across. In the twilight cavern, they found glowing mushrooms and a lost squirrel named Sam. "I can guide you," Sam squeaked, "but beware the shadow beast." Deeper into the cave, a shadow loomed. "Face your fears and I'll fade," growled the beast. Trembling, Mia bravely stepped forward, saying, "We're not afraid." The shadow beast vanished, revealing a golden key. Mia gasped, "We did it!" Returning to the forest's edge, they found the golden door. Mia inserted the key and the door creaked open, revealing a radiant garden filled with light and laughter. A magical voice whispered, "This treasure is for the brave. Share it with the world." Mia and Felix returned to Brightwood, where they shared the garden's gifts. Flowers bloomed, hearts healed, and the village shone brighter than ever. Mia learned that courage, teamwork, and kindness were the real treasures. She smiled, knowing their adventure had made a difference. And so, Mia and her friends lived happily, always ready for the next brave quest. Moral of the story: if you are brave, you can do anything. Just trust in yourself. Dear kids, this channel for educational purpose. If you enjoyed this and want to learn English and motivational stories, like and subscribe the channel.